Chapter 1 Measurement, the Foundation of Science. Question answers from grade 9, Subject Science, Advanced Level. Quick check. Question 1 Name any two systems of units. Answer Any two systems of units are CGS system and MKS system. Other examples are FPS system and SI system. Question 2 Why is SI system preferred over other systems? Answer The SI system is preferred because it is internationally accepted, easy to use and understand, and is based on the decimal system. Question 3 Convert 250 Newton into gram centimeter per second square. Answer We know 1 Newton is equals to 10 to the power 5 gram centimeter per second square. So 250 Newton is equals to 250 multiplied by 10 to the power 5 gram centimeter per second square, which gives 2.5 multiplied by 10 to the power 7 gram centimeter per second square. So friends, we knew 1 Newton is 1 kg meter per second square. So we convert it into gram centimeter per second square. So 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. We get 10 to the power 5 gram centimeter per second square is equals to 10 to the power 5 dyne, and we multiply it by 250. So we get 2.5 10 to the power 7 gram centimeter per second square. Question 4 Convert 1000 kg per liter into kg per meter cube. So friends, we know 1 liter is equals to 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. So 1000 kg per liter is equals to 1000 divided by 10 to the power minus 3 kg per meter cube. So it becomes 10 to the power 3 divided by 10 to the power minus 3. So when it goes upward, it becomes 10 to the power 3 into this power becomes positive. So it becomes 10 to the power plus 3. Minus changes to plus. So it becomes 10 to the power 6 kg per meter cube. Therefore 1000 kg per liter is equals to 10 lakh kg per meter cube. Next, check your understanding. Question 1. Which of the following is not an SI unit? Answer D. Foot. Second, the SI unit of mass is answer B. Kilogram. Question 3. Name the system of units used internationally. Answer The system of units used internationally is the SI system. Full form International System of Units. Question 4. Why is a common system of units necessary? Answer A common system of units is necessary to avoid confusion in trade, errors in scientific calculations, and difficulty in sharing scientific data. Question 5. Why is measurement necessary in physics? Answer Measurement is necessary in physics because physics is based on measurement. To study quantities like length, mass, time, temperature, and speed, accurate measurements is essential. Question 6. Why was there a need for a common system of units? Answer There was a need for a common system of units because earlier different places used different units, which created confusion, mistakes, and communication problems in science and trade. Question 7. Explain the relation magnitude is equals to numerical value multiplied by unit. Answer Every physical quantity has two parts. Numerical value tells how many times, unit tells the standard used for measurement. So magnitude is equals to numerical value multiplied by unit. For example, in 5 meter, 5 is the numerical value, this is the numerical value, and meter is the unit, this is unit. Together they represent the full magnitude of the length. Question 8. Why does the same classroom floor gives different numerical values when measured with sticks of different lengths? Answer The same classroom floor gives different numerical values because the size of the unit changes. A smaller stick gives a larger numerical value, while a larger stick gives a smaller numerical value. The actual size remains the same. Question 9. Why are numerical values different? Answer Numerical values are different because different lengths of sticks are used as units. Since the unit size changes, the number obtained also changes. Question 10. Is the actual size of the classroom different? Why or why not? Answer No. The actual size of the classroom is not different, only the unit used for measuring is different. The physical quantity remains the same. Question 11. What conclusion can you draw about units and measurement from this activity? Answer. This activity shows that the numerical value of a measurement depends on the unit chosen. A larger unit gives a smaller number and a smaller unit gives a larger number. Therefore, standard units are necessary for correct and uniform measurement. Question 12. Fill in the blanks. Answer. A. Measurement is the process of comparing an unknown quantity with a known standard quantity. B. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. C. In CGS system, the unit of length is centimeter. D. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. E. The modern internationally accepted system of units is called SI system. Question 13. Match the following. Answer. CGS centimeter gram second, FPS pound, SI international system, MKS meter kilogram second. Note, in the book's matching table, Kelvin appears in column B, but it does not correctly match CGS. The correct full form of CGS is centimeter gram second. So friends, here you can see in the table MKS meter kilogram second, FPS pound, SI international system. In CGS, unit of temperature is Celsius, not Kelvin. Question 14. What problems might occur if every country used its own system of units for measurement? Answer. If every country used its own system of units, it would cause confusion in international trade, mistakes in calculations, and difficulty in comparing and sharing scientific information. Question 15. A scientist measures length in feet and another in meters. What difficulties may it lead to? Answer. It may lead to difficulty in comparison, confusion, and possible errors in calculations unless one unit is converted into the other. Question 16. If 1 meter was defined differently in different countries, what would happen to international trade? Answer. International trade would become very difficult because measurements would not be uniform. This would cause misunderstanding, unfair transactions, and confusion in quantity and size of goods. Question 17. A shopkeeper sells rice using kilograms. A foreign customer asks for rice in pounds. A. Why is unit conversion necessary here? Answer. Unit conversion is necessary because the shopkeeper uses kilograms while the customer understands pounds. To communicate properly and sell the correct quantity, the unit must be converted. B. If 1 kg is equals to 2.2 pounds, how many pounds are there in 5 kg? Answer. 5 kg is equals to 5 multiplied by 2.2 is equals to 11 pounds. So 5 kg is equals to 11 pounds. So friends, as you can see here, 1 kg is equals to 2.2 pounds. So if we multiply 5 in both sides, multiply by 5 and multiply by 5, it is equal. So this becomes 5 kg and this becomes 11 pounds. So friends, we have completed all the question answers from chapter 1, Measurement, the Foundation of Science. We have already studied notes and summary of this chapter. You can find the link in the description and on the screen. If you like the video, kindly like, hype the video and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive new video notifications. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.